She is not happy. Tell your Uncle Jim about it. You don't like the kitty in your yard. Tell him. Tell your Uncle Jim about it. Not happy, Uncle Jim. No. Tell Uncle Jim. Tell him. Tell Uncle Jim about it. Tell Uncle Jim about it. He's listening. Yeah. He's listening. Uncle Jim, I don't like that cat in my yard. She's not supposed to be in our yard. I don't like it, Uncle Jim. No, I don't like it. I don't like it, Uncle Jim. Tell Uncle Jim about it. Tell him about it. I don't like that cat in my yard. Tell Uncle Jim. Tell Uncle Jim. He's listening to you. Climbing the door to get the attention. You tell your Uncle Jim about it. He's listening to you. He's listening to you. You tell Uncle Jim about it. Say, Uncle Jim, you need to come up here and tell that cat, stay out of my yard. You don't belong in my yard. No, not in my yard. No. That's my yard. Oh, what a yawn.